The Aam Aadmi Party is in crisis mode once again. As what seems to be a war within the Aam Aadmi Party intensifies, Kumar Vishwas today nearly broke down in his press conference. Highly emotional, asserting that he doesn't want to replace Arvind Kejriwal and will not apologize to anyone. Also saying that he will decide about his future in the party by tonight. This comes in the backdrop of growing factionalism within the party after successive defeats in Punjab, Goa and Delhi NCD elections. Let's listen in to what Kumar Vishwas said a short while back. What we're also expecting now, a response by the Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia. Listen in to Kumar Vishwas.
जीवन में ना कभी चीफ मिनिस्टर बनना है, ना डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर बनना है, ना पार्टी अध्यक्ष बनना है, ना कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ज्वाइन करनी है, ना कोई स्वराज आंदोलन ज्वाइन करना है। मैं यहाँ इस काम के लिए नहीं आया था। एक दिन मैं निर्णय ले लूंगा और मसला देश का होगा तो बोलूंगा, सेना का होगा तो बोलूंगा। और ये भी चेतावनी नहीं दे रहा, अनुरोध कर रहा हूं कि ऐसा कुछ मत करिए जिससे सड़क पर खड़े हुए कार्यकर्ता, जिसने आपके लिए नौकरी छोड़ी, जिसने चना खा के आपके लिए लड़ा, मैं फिर भी कुमार विश्वास रहूंगा। मुख्यमंत्री फिर भी अरविंद केजरीवाल रहेंगे, उप मुख्यमंत्री फिर भी मनीष रहेंगे, लेकिन वो कार्यकर्ता जिसको कोई नहीं जानता, जो पोस्टर चिपकाता था, जो आपके लिए लड़ता था, आप उस पर लात मत मारिए। और ये भी कहना चाहता हूँ कि ये जो भी ये साजिशें नीचे कर रहे हैं, ये बला की साजिशें, ये पैतरे मेरे खिलाफ रायगा है। मैं तुम्हारे खेल का हिस्सा नहीं, मैं इस खेल का हिस्सा नहीं हूँ। मैं आज रात सोचूंगा, निर्णय लूंगा और जल्दी आपको बता दूंगा। लेकिन वी द नेशन के लिए, अपने वीडियो के लिए मैं किसी से माफी नहीं मांगूंगा। सैनिक के सम्मान के लिए, राष्ट्र के सम्मान के लिए मैं किसी से
So what we are expecting now, anytime the Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi, Manish Sisodia, would also be holding a press conference. Let me cut across right now to my colleague Ashutosh Mishra, who's joining us live on the developments taking place. Ashutosh, to quote Kumar Vishwas here, saying, "मैं इस खेल का हिस्सा नहीं हूँ, मैं आज रात को निर्णय लूंगा." That there is the larger game that is being played within the Aam Aadmi Party. He doesn't want to be a part of that and will decide about his future within the party tonight. What are you picking up? Is he going to quit?
Well, Preeti, he has clearly, mentioned in his speech, in his statement that he made to media after he was asked that why he's not coming up after whatever happened after the series of allegations that was leveled by Amanatullah Khan charging the coup allegation against Kumar Vishwas. He clearly said that he's not going to join any party. He's not going to become a chief minister. He has no ambition to become party chief. But while we are speaking here, Deputy Chief Minister, Minister Satyendra Jain, there are other senior leaders. They are in a meeting with the party chief Arvind Kejriwal at the Chief Minister residence. I'm here present outside Kumar Vishwas residence. So we just while ago he spoke to media, cleared his stand, and clearly now with 2 points where Kumar Vishwas is rigid at his stand. At the same time, Amanatullah, Kumar Vishwas also questioning that it is not Amanatullah Khan who is escalating charges, but rather he is being used as a mask. Someone is playing behind Amanatullah Khan.
Who is this someone that Kumar Vishwas is implying?
We are learning from our sources that Kumar Vishwas in the...
Who is this someone that Kumar Vishwas is saying is the one behind Amanatullah?
Neither Kumar Vishwas... Well, neither Kumar Vishwas nor the sources close to Kumar Vishwas or anyone in the party are ready to actually speak, because this is merely an allegation. The first allegation, the coup charges that was leveled by Amanatullah Khan, that he is hand in glove with BJP and RSS. Then Kumar Vishwas, what we heard from our sources, that when there was attempt by Manish Sisodia and Sanjay Singh to convince Kumar Vishwas, he clearly said that the very first he need to be removed from the PAC. And that was the decision taken by the PAC. But before it was announced, Amanatullah Khan himself surrendered, himself tendered his resignation. Now sources close to Kumar Vishwas claiming that he is not agree until and unless Amanatullah Khan is removed from the party. So that is the rigid stance taken. Also, the sources close to Vishwas claiming that party wants him to apologize for that controversial video that he released just few days ago, just ahead of on the eve of NCD polls, where he also questioned the party as far as transparency is concerned, as far as the corruption charges within the party and the silence of those leaders are concerned. So that's perhaps triggered the controversy and where the big fight that has escalated within the party.
All right.
Preeti.
I'm coming right back to you, Ashutosh. Let's just quickly brief our viewers about this entire controversy. It all started with Kumar Vishwas' YouTube video in which he lashed out at everyone from Modi to even Kejriwal on the Kashmir issue. even directing his attack on Kejriwal, saying that people are bound to ask questions to him if the corrupt continue to get protected in the party. After this video, bitterness peaked in the party. While Kejriwal lauded Vishwas for his hard-hitting video, another Aam Aadmi Party leader, Amanatullah Khan, accused Vishwas of working at the behest of the RSS and the BJP, trying to split the party. Let's play that video, which of course caused this controversy.
दोस्तों, मुझे पता नहीं आप किसको सुन रहे हैं, कभी कुमार विश्वास को, एक राजनीतिक पार्टी में काम करने वाले कार्यकर्ता को, सोशल एक्टिविस्ट को, पर थोड़ी देर के लिए मुझे मत देखिए, मैं जो कहना चाह रहा हूं वो सुनिए। पिछले 2 दिन से सोशल मीडिया पर एक वीडियो देखा जिसमें कश्मीर में लोकतंत्र का सबसे बड़ा महापर्व चुनाव निर्विघ्न कराने के लिए गए हुए भारत के कुछ बेटे, हिंदुस्तान के कुछ वीर सिपाही, अर्धसैनिक बल सड़क पर जा रहे हैं और वहां कुछ शोहदे, कुछ लफंगे उनको थप्पड़ मार रहे हैं, गालियां दे रहे हैं, उनका हेलमेट छीन रहे हैं। वो सशस्त्र हैं, उनके हाथों में राइफल हैं, लेकिन उनके पैरों में इस तथाकथित कानून और कुछ मानवाधिकारों की बेड़ियां हैं। मुझे 2 दिन से बड़ी बेचैनी है इस बात की कि इस पर क्या किया जाए। मैंने बहुत सारी प्रतिक्रियाएं देखी, लोग कह रहे हैं देखिए हमारे सैनिकों में कितना धैर्य है, कुछ लोग कह रहे हैं कि नहीं नहीं ये तो मानवाधिकार की बात करने वाले लोगों को जो कहते थे उनको अकल आनी चाहिए, देखिए वहां के लोग कैसी बातें कर रहे हैं। क्या हम इस देश में कुछ देर के लिए, कुछ वक्त के लिए अपनी अपनी पार्टी, अपने अपने नेताओं की चापलूसी और उनके घेरे से बाहर आके सोच सकते हैं? क्या हम ये सवाल कर सकते हैं कि एक राज्य में, केंद्र में एक जैसी सरकार होने के बाद, सारी शक्ति होने के बाद भी हिंदुस्तान के किसी बेटे पर एक लफंगा हाथ कैसे उठा देता है? और क्या हम ये सोच सकते हैं कि इस देश के लोकतंत्र का महापर्व मनाने के बाद अगर 6% वोट कश्मीर में कास्ट हो रही हैं तो इसके केवल 2 कारण हो सकते हैं, या तो भय है या भरोसा नहीं है। या तो लोगों को भय है कि अगर वो वोट डालने निकलेंगे तो अलगाववादी ताकतें उन पर हमला करेंगी, या उन्हें हमारी लोकतांत्रिक व्यवस्था में भरोसा नहीं है। और दोनों में ही हमको चिंता करनी पड़ेगी कि हम कश्मीर के साथियों को भरोसे में कैसे लें कि वो लोकतंत्र के माध्यम से मुख्यधारा में आए, या अलगाववादियों को इतना भय कैसे हो कि अगर तुमने किसी पर हाथ उठाया, उंगली उठाई तो तुम्हारी खैर नहीं होगी।
Now, at the back of this video, Amanatullah Khan went ahead and said that Kumar Vishwas is acting at the behest of the BJP and the RSS. Something, of course, later that Amanatullah Khan tendered his resignation from the PAC. What Kumar Vishwas is now demanding is that he be sacked from the party. Something he said today, and Ashutosh, I want to bring you in on this. Something he said today that if Amanatullah Khan had said what he did against, keeping in mind with Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia, then he would have been sacked. Now, what is it that we're looking at? Number one, why was the PAC, which was to take place today evening, why was it cancelled? Question number 2, is Kumar Vishwas adamant either Amanatullah Khan is sacked or he will leave the party? What are you picking up?
Preeti, the very first point, Kumar Vishwas has no plan to quit the party. At several occasions, at number of occasions, he has been telling that it is him, it is Arvind Kejriwal and Manish, 3 people who are the founder members of this party, who actually formed this party. So there is no question of leaving own party. The second point that why he is adamant on the on the Amanatullah Khan that he's to be removed from the party. That clearly he made his point that if Amanatullah Khan has made the same point against Arvind Kejriwal, same allegations against Manish Sisodia, he would have been terminated. Also, is referring in the past while speaking to India Today and several other media platforms, he has been saying that perhaps he is giving example of what
so
party
what is he going to decide on tonight? He said that I'm going to make up my mind tonight on what my position is. What is his position?
Well, making up mind, Preeti, that precisely Kumar Vishwas perhaps would be wanting to lead a different front within the party, because since yesterday we are seeing the number of party MLAs, workers, supporters and other office bearers, they are coming here meeting Kumar Vishwas. But actually he is going to, that's actually a mystery, because until unless he comes out, and we have also to see, because there are a number of leaders within the Aam Aadmi Party, the another faction which Preeti I am speaking to, they are saying they are still trying to resolve amicably this entire controversy and entire
so the split clearly wide open, factionalism abound. Let's quickly once again listen in to Kumar Vishwas.
अगर आप भ्रष्टाचार मुक्ति का पर्व लेकर दिल्ली में सरकार बनाएंगे और उसके बाद आप ही के लोग भ्रष्टाचार के घेरे में होंगे और आप मौन हो जाएंगे, उन्हें बचाने की कोशिश करेंगे, तो लोग आपसे सवाल पूछेंगे।
This was the video that caused the entire controversy, of course, which is now snowballed into an all-out war within the Aam Aadmi Party. That is what we are going to be discussing at 6:30 p.m. All-out crisis within the Aam Aadmi Party. Knives out for Kejriwal. Detailed coverage, 6:30 p.m. Do join us.